The Pettygrove House has always been a restaurant that has drawn my interest because of the tales that the restaurant closed because of ghostly hauntings by a poltergeist. We found a recipe in this lovely book, Taste of Portland by Margo Jacobsen and Tina McLauchlan, and we hope you enjoy sharing our rendition of Chef Sandy Shae's Mocha Cream. Okay. Hi, Kathy. Thank you so much for letting us use your kitchen. So you and I have brought a lot of glassware, and I think before Olivia arrives, we can make a decision about the glassware, the type of instant coffee we're going to use, and the alcohol we're going to use.
All right.
I personally think that for this round, we should use the alcohol used in the recipe. I know you think the color might not be as pretty.
I don't think the color will be as pretty, but we can certainly use the alcohol.
And so,
is it necessary then to sip the other?
Oh. So you think a little sipping might have to take place. Okay.
It could be, it could be.
The other choice is, so the recipe requires 4 heaping teaspoons of instant coffee. Mm-hmm. So I have Maxwell House French vanilla, and also have Trader Joe's instant coffee.
I vote for Trader Joe's instant coffee.
Okay, that's good because we also are using the Trader Joe's brand creamer. It's in your fridge. Everyone's going to get to see your fridge. I feel like this is a real TikTok. There it is.
Okay.
There it is. The instant creamer. Okay, so we'll match those. I just think before our partner in crime arrives, that then the glasses. So do we think we want to use the ones you've been lent by Karen that look so vintage? Do you think they might have had this in the 1970s?
Oh my gosh, yeah. Those are from
Even earlier. Teaspoons. Let's make sure I get a teaspoon, not a tablespoon. I got it. Heaping. Okay, we can do this.
Oh, I'm going to do this.
Oh. This is like me in my fish tank. Okay.
I'm going, what did you allow with that?
No way. Because if they cut in everything.
Okay.
So we're going to do 4 heaping teaspoons. 1. And this is a tariff product now? So you're saying we're not going to be able to afford the luxuries of coffee?
Coffee is not made anywhere in the United States except Hawaii. And chocolate is not grown anywhere in the, I forgot, Central America.
But everything, okay. So this is going to be, it's going to be hard for us to get. Okay. Where does vanilla come from? Madagascar? I mean, I know Madagascar has vanilla.
Moratorium. That's an island.
That's an island? Madagascar's an island. Okay. Okay, so
I don't know how to say that either.
So now we're going to
put water, coffee, and gelatin in here and mix it up.
dissolve the coffee in boiling water, add sugar, and add gelatin. Okay, so are we going to add the sugar to this, or we're all putting it in there?
We're putting it in here because what happens when we get it in here is we have to mix it up. We have to beat it. We have to whip it. I'm just so upset.
Oh, looks like there's a knock at the door. Okay.
I'm so sorry.
Coming in. You're now part of the filming. Introduce yourselves now that you're on camera. What's your name? Henry.
Yeah.
And do you consent to be videotaped today, Henry?
Oh, all right, yeah.
Olivia, do you consent to be videotaped today?
Of course.
Okay, let's go meet my friend Kathy. So, Kathy was selected for this recipe because Kathy sees ghosts.
Oh.
And because this particular recipe, so this is why you weren't chosen, Olivia. See, Olivia swept in because she was jealous of you.
Oh. Did she like the recipe?
I don't know if she even looked at it.
Oh my goodness.
We're making the Mocha Cream from the Pettygrove House.
It smells good. I can smell the coffee.
Oh, good.
So, okay.
Okay, now this just gets chilled. You added the cold water.
So, the Pettygrove House is where the repulsion ghost was. It's now where Case Study is. It used to be Vivace, Taurus's. Daphne went to school with you. It was her dad's coffee shop. So before Taurus took it over, the restaurant before him was this one in the recipe book. And they closed down after they even tried to exorcise the ghost.
Oh, wow.
And so Kathy has been in the newspaper over the years in the neighbor and then later the examiner talking about haunted houses she's lived in. Do you have a ghost here at this house,
I
Kathy?
think I have a cat.
A cat.
A cat ghost, yeah. She hangs out right in here.
So, Olivia, if you had channeled that sort of thematic energy for this episode, you wouldn't, you would have been called. So we're at the chill stage, so I'll turn off the camera. Yes, so we are whipping just the whipped cream this time.
And our last whipping was the mocha mix.
And have we added alcohol to any of this yet?
No.
No alcohol yet. Okay. So this would not, Vicki, be allowed to be served at a restaurant now, just so you know, because this will not be cooked in. So some of the more modern restaurant recipe books talk to you about how perhaps they have to alter it because they can't, marinade with alcohol and not have cooking. Oh, here's the vanilla. No, I bought you don't, what?
I need the vanilla, but I thought I'd baker it.
Okay, I have to open the bottle.
I could just pour, but
I don't know if it's gonna. This has never been opened, so I have to. Fresh from Trader Joe's today.
I should have told you not to buy vanilla. I've got vanilla.
Oh, but I love vanilla.
Okay, good.
I have a lot of different ones, and this was different. Because this vanilla has vanilla bean seeds in it, whatever that means. I don't, Okay, fancy. Cork is out. Whoop.
A little pop.
Yep, we had a pop. It was a little champagne poppy scent.
Put that in the video.
Well, it was. It should have been capturing it.
Capturing the pop.
Mm-hmm. Glug, glug,
Look,
glug.
look. There we go. Vanilla.
Oh, so she's making a review of traditional restaurants. Traditional restaurant dishes.
Well, that is
before.
got a lot of, oh,
That may or may not be here. So.
the vanilla.
Just put it in the This is whipping really fast. Anyways, fancy.
I don't want to be making butter out of it.
I'm just gonna drizzle it.
Thank you, pretty fire.
No. Recipe. So these are kind of, they're not quite the.
Wow, we have 4 left. It almost